Hi, my J Sprinklers. Today, back at it again with another video. So today's video will be about slime reviews. Yes, slime reviews. So I'll be reviewing some of my slimes. You might have saw my Musical.ly channel. Go follow my Musical.ly channel. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so let's do some slime reviews. So this is my St. Patrick's Day slime. It is really nice. Like, okay, so here is my St. Patrick's Day slime. It's really stretchy. It's really nice to play with. And it's really like glossy and shimmery, so I really like that. Okay, so that was my St. Patrick's Day slime. My next slime is specifically supposed to be crunchy slime, but my brother added chips to them. Like, who adds chips to their slime? Like, like, oh my god. Like, all the chips are falling out. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna try to stretch that again. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, the next slime is kind of like my crunchy slime. I made it with beads, but not a lot. It's a brown crunchy slime, and it doesn't really poke much because I added a lot of beads to this. So it's just really crunchy and satisfying. Okay. So that was the crunchy slime.
What are you doing? Come here for a
Now
second.
here's my butter slime. So this is my pink butter slime. It smells really good. It's the pink. Kind of looks like peach in the camera, but it's actually pink. And the reason why it doesn't make much poking sound is because it is a butter slime. I mean, it still makes poking sounds. It's just that it doesn't make much.
Where are you?
Poop. Got my face there. Okay. That was the maple syrup. That was the butter slime. Well, I don't know what came to my head with maple syrup. Anyways, this is my nice sky blue cotton candy slime. I just made it in the Nickelodeon slime kit. Shout out to them. You should really go get it. It's really nice. It looks perfect. I love it. So here. And it's really stretchy. And it smells like blueberries, the paint. You should go get it. Well, only if you get the glitter slime kit. Then that won't smell like anything. Okay, sorry guys. I really want to add some lotion to this. I just got it on the table. Okay, I guess I'm only adding a little bit of lotion today. So, add there was the sky blue slime. Oh, sorry. Gooey cotton candy. And now I made one more. It's the pink cotton candy. It kind of looks light in the camera, but it's actually really nice. I like this slime better than the blue one. Not just because pink is my favorite color, because it's much more stretchier and it pokes more. And it smells like baby lotion and strawberries. I like it. And then tomorrow I'll be making a video of me making slime in school. I might make a video of me making slime in school. So yeah, that's tomorrow's video. It's really sassy. You really should go get the Nickelodeon slime kit. It's fantastic. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching my slime review videos. I love you guys so much. Please like, subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications bell. Bye guys. Love you.